Outback behind me. And I've got the WRX. Don't mind the haunted house next door. Look at that. Big plans coming for her. Let's go look at the bugs fuck.
Hey, go up, babe. Oh, they got that car.
There's a Subaru up there.
Hey.
White one. You know who they are. Same body style as my car.
Where's the all Trac? Celica, baby. Look in the camera. Say hi.
Dude, they're working out right there. What's up, man? Doing this whole like film thing now these days. Yeah, you know.
How you doing, bro?
Doing all right, Kevin. Came out here to say hi to this guy.
Yeah, dude, this thing's badass, man.
I'm super excited about it.
Dude, I'm excited for you. That's what I picked those up last night. So that we're gonna go on there today.
Yeah, I saw them. I was gonna buy them. What was the NKs?
Yeah.
For 800?
It was like eight something on.
I was thinking about getting them. I talked to him. So I'm
Yeah,
looking for 5x100s for this.
Well, I'm gonna be selling probably those and another set, dude.
Let me know what you guys think. Should I do an elbow here that goes out to the right on the dump? Or should I get a factory stainless steel one that goes all the way back? Drop a thought in the comments. Let me know what you guys. First startup. All right, reactions. It's pretty cool, man. It's an old car. Drives like an old car. Keys on my head. There's something wrong with me. Oh, keys got a nut on them. I don't know why I'm still recording while I do that. All right. So, first reactions. Pretty cool. I mean, drives like an old car would. I mean, I don't know what else is to be expected. Never driven a car that old before. So, you know, pretty good. Drives better than this hunk of shit. All right. First car meet. Have to get some gas. Need to fix that gas gauge because not knowing is driving me crazy. Driving me.
Or what they're doing while you're not home. Don't just assume, verify with your Safe Touch camera. Look, Safe Touch cameras are also a great tool to keeping an eye on your kids and making sure they're doing what they say they're doing.
There's the Celica. It's lost on the ground. Up and down, pipe.